It's time, baby. All or nothing. 3 more weeks, 4 more weeks, whenever it is. It's me, you, AK D-Man. Team KBW versus the Renegades. Get rid of them once and for all.
Well, I want to talk to you about that offer from CJ. Are you really considering joining the Renegades?
Well, honestly, what's going on, Pacman?
Look, I still can't face the fact that I really beat you. I didn't really beat you. You let me win. Why?
Wait, you talking about a Renegade Revolution?
Yes.
Continue.
I can't face it. It's eating my insides out. I gotta have a rematch. Me and you, next week, for my undisputed title.
I don't want your title. Keep it while you can. Because I'm a world heavyweight contender. You keep your little minor title. I don't need it.
Still gonna fight. Come on.
You want to challenge me?
I'll challenge you. Yes.
Alright. You want to challenge me? How about we put something on the line I can at least have the will to fight for? How about when we fight, I put my qualifying spot on the line. So if you somehow beat me, you get my qualifying spot in Team KBW.
Alright. Yeah.
Wait a minute. So the title versus your KBW spot, Team KBW. Next week. Y'all heard it, folks. See you next week.
Get it on. Let's go.
Hello everybody, this is the assassin AK-47 right here, and I'm going to commentate this match. We are live from Mobile, Alabama. I wanted to commentate this match because I know it's going to be a great one. I saw it before him last week. They made it official. Bulldozer put his qualifying spot for KBW on the line against Pacman, which put his undisputed title on the line. This is going to be a great match. Introducing first is the undisputed champion, Pacman.
DJ Sound. See, I've been waiting. Waiting on that time. Feel me if you've been waiting on yours. That moment, it's close. It's close. Yeah. Tired of living day to day like everything's alright. Just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment.
Pacman looks ready tonight. He called out the Bulldozer. He felt like he did not win the championship at Renegade Revolution, and he wanted to fight the Bulldozer one-on-one to show him that he is better than the Bulldozer. He didn't want the Bulldozer just to give him that win. He wanted to win fair and square. That's what he's going to do tonight. Now, introducing his opponent for the undisputed title is the Bulldozer. 1/3 of execution. Wait a minute, what is he? Is that a mask on? He just dissed. He just dissed Pacman. Cage accompanied Bulldozer to the ring.
Oh, it's fair. I love war and wrestling, baby.
Tonight, Pacman ends his game, because any game can be destroyed by a bulldozer. And when he enters my construction site, it's game over.
The biggest and the baddest man in KBW. Renegades ain't gonna show up on my watch.
Game over tonight.
You heard it, folks. Bulldozer says he's gonna end Pacman's game. Let's see if he can do it tonight. Ding, ding, ding. They squaring off. They lock up. Pacman gets out of it. He grabs him. Look at Bulldozer laughing. Hits him with a mean elbow. Bulldozer's just playing with him right now. Hip toss. Just throwing him like a rag doll, like he's a nobody. Oh, and he's going for those leg drops.
Hey, that's one. That's one.
One leg drop from the Bulldozer. Two leg drops from the Bulldozer. He's going for big number 3. He gets it from his mentor Cage. Hops up. Oh my God. What a leg drop. Right on the neck of Pacman. 1, 2. Kick out by Pacman. Bulldozer showing why he's the biggest and baddest in KBW. Showing it against the undisputed champion. And a headbutt. Vicious headbutt from the Bulldozer. He's saying no. He's going for another, looks like. And there it is again. One, 2. Pacman kicks out again. Barely, though. Bulldozer picking him up. Bulldozer's been on offense. Oh, Pacman fighting back here. Trying to. Hitting him in the gut. Bulldozer's just taking him. He throws him against the ropes. Bulldozer ducking the clothesline. Oh my God! Bulldozer just ran right through Pacman. Pacman just ran to a brick wall. 1, 2. Pacman kicks out. I don't see how though. That had to knock the breath out of him. Bulldozer go for the choke slam. He hit it. Choke slam. What a huge choke slam from the Bulldozer. It's got to be over. 1, 2. Another kick out from Pacman. How in the world is Pacman kicking out all these vicious moves from the Bulldozer? Oh my God. Adding insult to injury, just walking on his back. Bulldozer is teaching this young rookie a lesson. He's going up for the huge powerbomb. Sit down powerbomb. What a sit down powerbomb from the Bulldozer. Almost breaking Pacman's neck. 1, 2. Pacman kicks out.
Let's go.
Pacman's still trying to fight back though. He's trying to get on the offense finally with a drop kick, but the Bulldozer stays up. He's stumbling. He's stumbling. And a spinning elbow from Pacman. And a big old clothesline, knocking the Bulldozer off his feet for the first time in this match. Pacman's finally on offense. He finally got the big man down. He is going up top, folks. He is going high risk. What is he thinking here? What is he going for? He's on the tippy top of that ladder. Oh my God, flips right on top of the Bulldozer. This has to be it. He will be where he qualified. 1, 2. Bulldozer almost lost his qualifying spot just like that, folks. We all know how bad Pacman wants to be in Team KBW versus the Renegades. He hates them just as much as AK-47, me, and Cage. He's got that chair. Anything goes in KBW, as everybody knows. He's got the chair. Oh my God, right in the gut of the Bulldozer. Bulldozer's out of it. Oh my God. Right across the back with that chair. Pacman is going off on the Bulldozer. 1, 2. Bulldozer kicks out of it. Pacman getting frustrated.
Get up. Come on.
Pacman saying he wants him in again. Pacman's got the chair set up for him. Bulldozer better watch out. He's going over the top. No, Bulldozer catches it. Kicks him. Throws the chair down. DDT! What a DDT from the Bulldozer. We all know where he got that from. He got it from the master of DDTs himself. That man right there, Cage.
It's over.
It's gotta be it. 1, 2. Oh my God, how did Pacman kick out of that? I thought for sure his skull hit that chair.
Get that spear, baby. Get that spear. Get up.
Pacman could have a concussion after that, but he's still fighting. Does he even know where he's at right now? Bulldozer's getting set up for the spear. He's in the defensive stance. No! Pacman got the chair and hits it right across the head. 1, 2. Bulldozer kicks out. He kicked out of the chair shot across the face. How's the Bulldozer doing this? Pacman seems like he don't know what to do to get him down. What's he going for here? The reset button. Pacman hit the reset button. This has to be it.
Oh, it ain't over now. Now it's time then.
Pacman said now it's time, Nana. What's he looking for here? No way. He's going for the cheat code. Will he get the cheat code on Bulldozer? No. Bulldozer gets out of it. He's battling. Getting the Bulldozer out of it. Now he's going for it. He got the Bulldozer dazed. And boom! He hits the cheat code right onto the Bulldozer. This has to be it. Pacman can qualify for Team KBW. 1, 2, no!
Yes, yes.
Bulldozer kicked out again.
Let's go.
Come on!
What can Pacman do to win this match?
Game over.
No way. Will he be able to hit the game over? Nobody has ever got Bulldozer over their head before. Will he be the first man to do it? No! I knew it. I saw it coming. He was not able to pick the big man up. Bulldozer just flattens him.
Cover.
1, 2. Pacman still staying alive.
Hey, time for the tribute.
Pacman still staying alive. He is still in this match. He has held the Undisputed title for a while, folks. He is not giving up that title easily. And Bulldozer better get that in his head. What's he going for?
But Nick Frazier, you always be a part of execution.
Oh my God, he hit the Frasiernator! The Frasiernator! If you haven't watched the second season, 1, 2. If you haven't watched the second season, folks, Nick Frazier was a part of execution.
How did he kick out of that?
And the Renegades got him out of it. Got him out of KBW. And he tributed that to Nick Frazier. Saying Nick Frazier will always be a part of execution.
Hey, Bulldozer. Put him up.
I still don't know how Pacman kicked out of that though. That was a vicious move. Nick Frazier always did it. And always won when he did it.
In his career.
No, he's going for the Bulldozer. Oh, Pacman coming back. Mean punches. Oh my God, what a spear! Out of nowhere. Pacman thought he had it. Pacman thought he had Bulldozer dazed. Bulldozer hit him with an amazing spear.
End it.
He cut him in half. Oh my God! What a huge splash! This has to be it. 1, 2, 3. It's all over. It is all over. The Bulldozer is the new Undisputed Champion.
And your new Undisputed Champion, the Bulldozer.
I can't believe this. The Bulldozers finally dethroned Pacman. Pacman's been on a long run lately, and now we have a new champion in KBW, and his name is the Bulldozer.
I don't need this title. It's not even worth my time.
It might not be worth his time, but hey, he beat Pacman, and he is still in Team KBW, and he is the new Undisputed Champion, if he likes it or not.